welcome again to MG Sports TV. So, Benfica Football Club is in Jamaica to help Jamaica progress our youth development system. How are they going to do that? What are the techniques in doing that? That is exactly why we're doing this video, to highlight you guys what is happening in Jamaica, especially at the youth level. You guys know that I'm a big advocate for youth football, and this story have drive a lot of interest for me, someone who wants to see the ground root of football development, especially at the coaching level, reach at a particular level. We'll be getting to the article, but before we do that, people, please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're here for the first time, and please continue to support the program. Let's get into the meat of the matter, people. Let's get straight into it. I'm not going to waste any of your time, because time is very precious. Benfica to stage youth camp in Jamaica. So this is what we have. So this is it, people. Portuguese football club SL Benfica will send coaches to the island next month to conduct a 6-day training camp as part of its international school program. A part of its international school program. Let me continue. As you can see here, the camp will be held at Sabina Park in Kingston from July 3 to 8. Will feature aspiring players from ages 6 to 17 and will consist of 2 sessions of 50 kids daily for the first 5 days, with the best players selected for 2 games on day 6. The project was organized in part by Sports Innovators Group SIG, which signed a partnership with the reigning Portuguese champions. SL Benfica has held football camps in various countries over the years, with the most recent being staged in Barbados in May. That camp was deemed as a success, as several youngsters were seen as prospects who could travel to Portugal for closer analysis by the club's coaches. So, as you can see, this is also another opportunity. This is also another opportunity for players that we have, some of their young talents, to get an opportunity to be seen by these top quality coaches, and especially by Benfica club. If one player should be seen in that period and is selected by the club and get the opportunity to go and join their youth setup, that in my view is a big success. Just that alone. So let me continue. This is the first camp managed by SIG, which last year executed the first local basketball event since the pandemic. Organizers say this initiative will introduce a new level of football experience aimed at developing independence while improving playing and leadership skill. It is also seen as paramount to building a relationship with one of the world's best academies, which will lead to more exposure for Jamaica young talents, as I mentioned. The main goal is to seek talent. Benfica International School Program Director David Gomez said, "In Portugal, we know that there are not going to be so many kids in the future. So, what? In Portugal, we know that there are not going to be so many kids in the future, so we need to prepare that strategy to find the best talent as soon as possible." That's quite interesting. So where are the kids gonna be? Where are the kids gonna be? Anyways, the camp will also give 10 Jamaican coaches an opportunity to take part in the delivery of the training. Local coaches will be given a chance to see methodology and philosophy that led to SL Benfica being voted the world's best academy by Globe Soccer in 2019 and 2021, FIFA Football Talent Scout Platform's best academy of the decade. SIG said it's confident Benfica will decide to make the camp in an annual event based on what is described as an abundance of talent it has discovered in Jamaica. So, as you can see, people, this is not just for our youths. Also, it's a step for our coaches in Jamaica to get the opportunity to see what has been delivered at the global stage. And I'm hopeful that the coaches that will be participating in this will take the opportunity to garner some knowledge, to gather some knowledge, and impart back that knowledge, what they have learned, and see the importance of the higher learning and advancement of themselves and what the kids at the youths, the football talents at the lower level really needs. This is very, very important, people. But anyways, I won't lament on it any further. I love this initiative. This is wonderful. Hopefully, this is an annual event, and hopefully at the time that I'll be able to at least visit 1 or 2 times just to go and have a look to see what is happening. So, and to see some of the players and on the coaching methodology that they explain, and to see what the whole entirety of the ideal is about. Anyways, smash the like button, people. Hit the subscribe button. Let's see if we can get a few more talents out of that camp, and we'll see how that one goes. Big up, smash the like button, people. Subscribe and share. Big up, MG Sports TV, people. I'm out. Boom. Music.